Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you guys according to your time. Breaking news, my people. Breaking news. You are welcome to Esther TV, Jerry Wife page. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. My people, finally, Precious Osayede don come out, come clear the air, say him and balance no dey again. Make dem no dey address her as Mrs. Balance again. Make dem no dey call her say him and balance no dey again. Everybody don find their own way, because e go be like say as dem no dey again, she go come dey block balance, or balance go come dey block her. So he no want anything wey go dey hold dem. So Mona, lis ten to this video, my people. Abeg Mona, let me share this video. I want make this video go viral, because she say make we help her. Say she just can't tell us, especially wey dey carry it, dey talk say na balance girlfriend, balance wife, balance, you understand? Because fine, they do engagement, not be all engagement dey lead to marriage. So because of that, na make her wey she come clear the head. Abeg, she say dem no dey again. Wala agwụgwụ wa gị nwine gbugwa mụwa. Iwe edo ni ro wa ke ni risi. Ogwinya wo mo balance giro. So nye fearing go mo balance gbo mo balance ne, but they don't have anything e come up. Please muna take her easy, because me I dey respect people privacy well. As she don come off it, come the social media, come clear the head, come tell the whole everybody, the whole Edo people, make them know, so that anybody ready to marry and may for go marry her. So thank you guys. God bless.
Yeah, watching your comedy skit nearly every day. I be already break even now. Must say why you before I can lose you, I saw why you. You understand? Sometimes when I'm sad, you make me happy.
Oh,
I have to tell you the truth. Yeah, it's all if you anyway. More grace, more grace to your elbow. Go young.
Yo,
Oh man, so what is the cocoa? What is the latest?
latest. Off him, I be waiting.
Okay, sorry to say, there was this girl, the first girl, and no I really not call it well. Or where Bini just boring, or where there is nothing to do. Unu I go tonight. This is after 12, and the day where all you love your bed. Come here, here. He said that that's when you are going to when you are learning sewing or hairdressing.
Okay. Yeah.
Send the really on here. And not love your bed. We after 12. Or time I will be your body. Okay, there were no way to make a lively near. Gay, the Kanamuna, a ticket machine, Namuna, to the gay. Ire break. It's when I boy your woni. I told that jacket in your woni. It's when I next is 7 o'clock to be now. Although your bed, the altar will be boring. I'm on when I are here tomatoes we can you believe.
My other men no yari eshe di vekene o ti dele no taking up new binina but no yari eshe de tomato.
Osalobo adiba we go bobe. Uzege osalobo awadiba we now. Go gwalimu na le. Go gwalimu na le so that the believe we cannot dey boring oh.
What say?
Amana mi na we no do agu we pokma wo wa we no go we do apokma no go we hin wa we. Imuna no. Amana go say we are breaking way for there. I wish you all the best, eh?
Problem.
All right, take care. All right, yeah, bye. Oh, God.
Amazing. Believe anything you see for social media at your own risk. Worrying. Really me what die. Kevin Lucky, where is your boyfriend? The one where you give me Nathan or man? Who is your boyfriend? What are you? I be you want put off for court.
No. Calm down.
Why they can't really like the this? I know where is your boyfriend. I will get boy, will get father. Please pick my call. I dey ask people why they see for up. Prosper Omo. First time seeing you in life. Now so I know maybe not how I live with you. When you go to work, why ain't you here? Me ká Bọ́lá already except it àtàlọ́ gbé àdó tẹ́mi lọ market in ata.
No one another one. No one.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon. Ẹ̀yin ayẹyẹ náà.
Ọ̀yẹ́ ṣé o.
Wàhálì ọ̀pẹ ní ẹ̀yìn rí eku ẹ.
Rende kere ebe anyị nyame yari ekwe yan te wa mi ose no de mi.
Wẹ́ẹ̀ ìyẹ́dọ̀ yẹ pitan ìyẹ́dọ̀ nọ́ọ̀lì tàbí rẹ̀ ìyàlẹ̀ dàgbẹ́ nínú wọn rí ẹ̀ ọ̀rí ọ̀pẹ ní ẹ̀yìn rí eku ẹ.
Ebi ano so ubi aje. Were nwi na bi were nwi na be gbale se dinu.
We are begging now. Okay, set it on the camera because you really win a break imagine so.
Right, no, not be my guy again. Oma, so what's the update?
Hey, Mama. This is my first time calling your live stream.
What to do?
And it's a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
So, now when is your next movie and your next comedy skit is coming up? Because I believe it has been long. Post up will be now.
Yes.
Okay, I check maybe in another win and the man near the world.
Why you not use correct? We never do
because whenever anytime we are posting, because you need notification.
it go back now.
So when equal no finançata say
Speak English, guys. Village boy. We're not going to do it. Maybe not Muria. I don't know what going. But I don't know. I don't know. Auto tag me what you from.
Hi guys. Happy New Week.
Your mother, eh? Happy me with my You know, not they take them down like that too.
I went to the camp.
No, no. Say me before that.
Oh, it's still that message.
Very handsome.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Osasu in London.
Come on.
How far now? They can say there. They can say there. Where to travel?
Oh, go over here.
Eh? Hello. Wow.
Network. I thought I only with that video. Yeah. What a lot.
Hello. Oh my God. Good afternoon.
Other said.
Good afternoon. I'm calling from France. Fine. So, how are you doing today? You look beautiful. It's my first time coming on your
I
live.
say
May I speak pidgin?
again.
Now my first time when I call your live with this, I'm so
Oh, I
happy.
don't understand. I they tell you say me and person not dey again. What you come they ask me again? It's all no. I don't understand some people. Don't you say something personal? Person never. You never friend get me leave you before. Be never friend boy me leave you before. If not me start on, I feel put on for it. But if not be me start on.
You be celebrating.
Onion we celebrate. Onion say Nihiana certificate the boy where. Okome. Now because of this, they are yeah comments and rumor. That person never feel move on. So. How are you boyfriend? What was going on? You should let me do because of that boy. No look for the Miss Rashan. Help me ask them. Where's your boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend? You don't know his page. You don't know his name. Go look for him. Go find out for Benin if you want to see him. May I put on for it? Even if we see the date, you want to put on for court. Why they ask for him? Yeah, Gary, a little bit here. Oh, we may know. Because I ain't left over.
Don't be quiet, matter.
Lisa Scott, we are your fans. Tell us what happened. I don't understand. Boys wey don't break up with you. Tell me why they leave you.
Don't do pressures.
They make result. Now you get my life. Say tell us we are your fans. Tell us what happened. We know they get very simple. If you know if they can show corner.
I be make you all do video tell them.
Even video I know anybody explanation.
That they go next.
Gbe woman.
Oh my God.
So mobile for nothing. Yes, so he shot me for nothing. They cry. We no here you kia zanzan. Wetin come be your own? Me wey one friend, but I no know say I give out to before. See me see wahala. Wetin dey happen? He shot me for nothing.
They talk for your page.
They cry. Yes, now bad thing to ask me. Get away shop your money or you escalate. Who ask you? Say why I leave you. Girl never break up with you before. I ask you. I never ask you anything concerning your life before. So no ask me anything concerning my life because you know they feed me, I know they feed you. I never enter here come beg una money. I be to what they go make my via with marriage, my marry you, my marry you. Oh, what they know me.
God.
Make the no mashup, make them with be. Go no. I just fast off. I will make I get our lali ma. Oh, make the no mashup. I dey here. If talk to you, I don't understand. You dey want me. Lisa Scott, he engaged me. We break up and now news. You never see person will do marriage a week after he leave the marriage. Now me start. I don't understand. A broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. No, we better make it on a ball. I said to Mota, not tell me, Neju, and know me.
Breeze there. You never even call it back.
I never come as before when they feel like that. I see me say Breeze there. Esther Oji gave me. He said that the let us pay me for laugh.
People when you walk on spraying for your marriage, now they talk to like that.
I don't understand. People who walk on spraying for marriage. Not because they are alive, they do marriage. For they to they happy say I see it to carry come out. Then they ask me question.
Don't do. And they beg on their
my the person we agree. Na normal thing. We don't mature. Everybody don't mature. We not again. Don't me say what they quarrel. We still they see. We still snap each other. Still work together. Na normal thing. Oh, guess so. But for now, we feel still come back tomorrow. But now we not there again. Yes, we feel still come back tomorrow. Even if we not come back, feel still fuck tomorrow. But we not there again. Go ahead, baby. I give him dog. I like me Valentine. Take it easy. Your fans can ask you anything. Yeah, now you for tell me say that they be my family people. If you tell me say na family meeting I dey now. I need comment for a living. Even me, oh. Now what I be they do, oh. You really live video. I dey want DJ. Was it because he has a child as well and I make it live on he was cheating? Lisa, shall you be woman? May you go friend down now. I don't understand. Okome. Omora Goyano. Pikin not spoil anything. I don't understand. Don't I know the friend married man? Facebook in-laws make una men una business, yo. What happened? Until you don't dey try to wear trouser. Na so e reach yo. Divine Ota said me ask am wetin concern na put. You wan hear the full story? You wan use am feed your family? I no understand. Now that won't be your problem. Now you not get any problem for life again. Now my own, I owe you. Hey, I got me. I go life well. We want to make money. Tracy Banks. Not be prank. Oh, I too big to they do prank. Oh, now relationship they say they do prank. I'm telling you, bad for me. Rebecca Johnson, I don't change yeah, oh, agree with everybody. Even move that convey. Jami no yogi so idami yo. O ama go me yo bo mo yen won riri o. Relationship mo riri. Ama we gbajo no ku no. No bi omo re gba you do. Osayede love it. I'm fine. First also, Sarah more B don't give you woto. He not give me anything woto. Nothing. We just need break for now. When I zerule ave mudi ave one me. August we not get issue. So it not give me anything with. How much for sunburn? My love, just follow Stainless Beauty City on Instagram. If you send your picture, give her. She'll tell you what you put. Must person turn a relationship. Now they ask me one question. Some of my relationship never like not mad them. Whether they ask me more question for you. I don't really know what happen. Now make her they ask. So I go use and learn. Not be my life you want to learn. No. Now go ask your man whether not the man with this virgin and now she marry people for us. Now my life you want to learn. Your family not get problem. Go use your family only. Benji Olia. Gbema ọkọ ní ẹ̀dẹ̀gùn ẹ̀gbọ́n alẹ́lẹ̀ náà zuọ́zuọ́. Benji only I go give that advice to your sister wey still dey house wey never see husband, no be me. Who wan laugh make laugh o. See me see wahala I say go dey laugh for one corner. No be you with teeth dey white na dey laugh. Nobody fit even laugh me now say see. I no understand. Wetin your life take better pass my own. You've never even gotten a real one in a lifetime. Which is on the end of the world, my dear. Jane Osarugwe Oragbo. I don't gain my peace and happiness. I love you. No mad the assurance book, better person. I will man over why when you're not go ya. I'm a problem. Alegbe Valentine, I love seeing you and Mobi together. We see the snap, we see the walk. We still come back, but for now we know the again. The Instagram, okay. Fortress Ozaina, oh, thank you. Vera Cardi, I don't want to accept anybody again. Relationship at first is all the work. Egbe ma worry. Princess, but let me ask now. Na problem that they found. So the person can stop bringing out your boyfriend. Once I get a boyfriend, I go still post on. If he no work, I go still delete the picture. If another one call, show me true love, I go still post on. Wahala for who they can't. Now so I go post in them. People when they do live video, they say, "Awa talo." And that's why I won't go sleep. Skylight, I know understand that shift for your pardon. your life take better pass my own. No, na me dread, no, na we more pain. Come on, get that. Decrease. Uzuo. For your massive. Your life even dey mad. What you they do for my life video if not be say I better pass you? Or you never even know the name of your family finish for head, but you crown my name put for head. And you say I not better pass you. God transformer. Benji Oli, I go ask your mother question. And your mother sister where they say Basha for Ring Road. The TikTok, they don't balance me. People for TikTok, if they talk to can the laugh go. TikTok don't balance me. I mean, not they get mad. He get one boyfriend. He say, one man say why he this week. He say, now your man sister for always they say Basha for top of that mat. Easy. Hey, wait. Oh, why that also, yes, I get maths. Yes, now before on call, if I not get maths, what you they do for you? So call me. Prince D Omo. Now people will get sense. Now they talk to me. If person ask me a question, I go still talk to them. Yeah. Also, Benji Olia, before you get that, for asking if you ready to marry. You never see person where use Mama Great to say, I will never break your heart at the end of the day. Why Azua? Na me agbo. Fans will not get sense, not be fans. You not feel say because say you be my fans, you want to they bring me down, they look you with fans. Now they give me money. Now fans who they give person money, that they know, not be the one where they throw shade. Because say you be my fans, now me they make you they laugh. You want to tell me something where go make me say if I don't live video, I go commit suicide. Wait till you they do for ugly thing live video or there. Oh, man. Go follow Fesa Girls live video now. Go wasia. Princess Diamond, leave on. Na mumu de warrior. Ozuo. Agwali win na win. Yana agwali bebo no me bene no rie boni yale. No rie beni yale webo. Akinyoto. Sugar mommy wet you we. E never they shake me. 1 million people come ask me question. I get matter. I want to answer all of them. Nothing they get to me, Baba, because I know they live my life due to social media. That is the thing. Okay. Why you coming? Once in a while, I wanted the entire life video. Now, come they think one thing where person will be say they suffer for one side because they see on general research can entire live video. All the time I made the we are who. Email. Oh, fast love. Which day I go see your face for really grand? Yeah, I dey Benin now. I bet if they Benin more link up. Oh, fast if they Benin more link up. Oh, I beg. I dey Benin. Oh, I don't babe come greet me for Benin. We dey Benin. Oh, I don't babe come greet me for Benin. I want to come first shade. Maybe they say Abasha for Ted. Hey. Okay. Louis, I'm so happy to see you live today. Thank you, Jare. They hardly come on live video. We even go now with subscription. I think you should come on live video and clear the air. Clear the air to which person? I don't understand. Clear the air, give you person way. After I don't clear the air, the person won't give me husband. I don't understand. May everybody they assume for them until I marry or I can't born for another person. I'm a woman. Do like this. Oh yeah, like it. I like how. Miss Sharon, precious, if I come to Nigeria, I would like to see you. No problem. Okay. You'll see now. Just message me. My dear, you want finish there with no. Then they send the come mostly so we fake account. I don't understand. I can't talk rubbish. Me I call the cry. Come on for live video. And then I have the phone. My boyfriend will subscribe to me. One again. Don't baby won't take me outside. Fuck up. This one say I talk and say don't baby. Who talk? Where is the person? So near last boy not here. He tell talk and say you say. I don't know. Daniel Skyrocky, please dance a little. Even when I can't reply your comments. People when they talk anyhow, mostly for picture. More na come my face. If you want challenge me direct. Don't be the one you go through corner. And if you want comment, use your real account. Marco Oduwayi, where is your engagement ring? I don't return her. To the right. So I don't return engagement ring to the rightful owner. I'm not that body read the yobo. It is it again. Don't babe, they say make you show your face. Woman. Miss Shadow, why they laugh, man? Is that a best lolly for me? Why you will go pay? No, now one music I sing for one film. You want pay me? Who you be? Every person there. You where they ask me who you be, you know who I be. I wish you don't know who I be for not day my live video. So get out. I beg you don't do what I like the while they ask this one say you return it. May I sell them before? I know they all do you. I know say because say na go drink, me I go sell them. I at least go carry out tomorrow. Say why I sell my engagement ring? I return them for now. No, maybe you need to be outside the family. Maybe they want to know if you break up with boy, whether they return the ring or they okay, if they break up with boy, then they return the ring go in case you go back tomorrow. So I don't give you one relationship advice now. Okay. Now what is the 1 year suppose they tell them that? Not be the one they give them savage reply. So no, the way it's just savage, I go give them back because most of them are fake accounts. In your they ask you where you return the ring. John 3:16 for God so loved the world. I read that my favorite verse with that. I don't get straight today. Man, they come on life every day. If you're the son for me, no problem. But it's setting me here. Bella, go send me your location. I did Benin. I did Saple Road for Benin. In case you want to link up, you can message me. If you go see movie, no problem. I'm free. I don't get work for today.